In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to use SmartArt graphics in PowerPoint to create clean, professional-looking visuals in just a few clicks. SmartArt is perfect for turning plain text into diagrams, processes, hierarchies, and visual lists that make your presentations more engaging and easier to understand. Whether you're creating a business presentation, a school project, or a report, SmartArt can instantly upgrade the way your slides look. If you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more easy PowerPoint guides. Now, let's get started. First, open Microsoft PowerPoint and open the presentation where you want to add your SmartArt graphic. You can either use an existing slide or create a new blank slide for a cleaner layout. Next, go to the top menu and click on the Insert tab. Inside the Insert tab, look for the Illustrations group. Here, you'll see several options like Pictures, Shapes, Icons, and SmartArt. Click on SmartArt. As soon as you click it, the Choose a SmartArt graphic dialog box will open. This window shows all the available SmartArt categories on the left-hand side. You'll see categories like List, Process, Cycle, Hierarchy, Relationship, Matrix, Pyramid, and Picture. Each category contains different layouts designed for specific types of information. Take a moment to scroll through the categories and click on each one to preview the available layouts. When you click on a layout, you'll see a preview and a short description on the right side, explaining what that graphic is best used for. For example, Process is great for step-by-step information. Hierarchy works well for organizational charts, and Cycle is useful for repeating processes. For this tutorial, you can select any layout you like. Once you've chosen the SmartArt graphic you want to use, click OK. Your SmartArt graphic will now appear directly on your slide. It will include placeholder text that you can replace with your own content. Now let's add content to the SmartArt. Simply click inside one of the text boxes within the SmartArt graphic. You can type the required text for each section directly into those boxes. As you type, you'll notice that the graphic automatically adjusts to fit your content. You can also use the small arrow on the left side of the SmartArt to open the text pane. This allows you to type your content in a structured list format. Press Enter to add a new point, and use the Tab key to create subpoints if your layout supports hierarchy. After you've entered all your text, click anywhere outside the SmartArt graphic to confirm your changes. If you need to reposition the SmartArt, click on the outer border of the graphic, then drag it to your desired location on the slide. To resize it, click and drag any of the corner handles. Using the corner handles keeps the proportions balanced. Now let's quickly look at how to change the color if needed. Click on the SmartArt graphic to select it. When selected, you'll notice two new tabs appear at the top, SmartArt Design and Format. Click on the SmartArt Design tab. In this tab, you'll see an option called Change Colors. Click on it and you can choose from various color combinations that match your presentation theme. Simply click on the color style you prefer and it will instantly apply to your SmartArt. You can also explore the SmartArt Style section in the same tab to apply different visual effects, such as 3D styles, shadows, or polished designs depending on the look you want. And that's it! You now know how to insert a SmartArt graphic, choose a layout, add and edit text, reposition and resize it, and even change its colors to match your presentation design. SmartArt is one of the fastest ways to make your slides look structured and professional without spending extra time designing shapes manually. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more PowerPoint tips and step-by-step guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.